Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. Let's start with Forex Factory and see what's happening on the news. It's for the Monday, the 8th of September 2025, and see what's happening on that day. We've got 8, and we have no news at all for that day. Although further on Wednesday, we have for USD, we have Wednesday, PPI, PPI. And Thursday we have some news at 1:30, core PPI as well, and CPI as well. Then Friday we have USD news as well. So for Tuesday we don't have any heavy impact either. So Monday and Tuesday we don't have any. So Wednesday we have some. Thursday and Friday we have. So now jump onto the chart, see what's happening here. Let's start for monthly, first of all, and see what monthly candle is very bullish. As you can see, it broke the previous level as well. We're still in the month now. Its month hasn't finished. So let's see what's gonna happen. And weekly is very bullish and has broken previously high levels. This week has been broken and this level has been broken as well. So this is the current situation in weekly, and let me mark these levels. The 3500 level and 3440 level. In fact, 3450, 34, around 3460 level. These are the levels which were broken in weekly. And as you can see, this 3500 level has been almost tested with probably 100 pips difference. And now we are in daily, and daily, as I said, this level has been tested in daily, but not in weekly. So we can expect in weekly to test this level, come back, and we can. So these are two important levels can be tested, and even this is a level as well here, 38, 3380. So these are important levels because these levels have fair value gaps as well. So we always look for confirmations before we embark on something. A trade, close or open a trade, look for the levels and confirmations, right? Especially when you enter a trade, you always look for confirmation. This is a 50% as well here. The important level, 3450-ish, almost 35, 50 to 60. This important fib level as well. So this level can be tested. And looking at daily, we have this 3586 level in daily. And then go 35, 80 levels. So we can see some sort of movement, rejection from here. We already, in fact, in smaller time frame, we already see some rejection in 1 hour, or even you go in smaller in 4 hedge. So the next thing can happen is market can break this level because it has been tested this level. So Next can happen. This it can come up to 3560, roughly 3560 range area, and we can have and even further down to 3555 because that's where this fair value gap starts from here, right? Just the situation at the moment. The good trade would be depends how we look at confirmations, volume confirmation or break of structure. So a good trade could be on breakers because we are looking to get this level be broken with a good candle. On the retest, unless you want to take aggressive entry on a retest, we can take a trade to the further to the downside. However, if the stop level is broken, 3600, we will look for buy on a retest. It's also possible that this level market will take liberty and come down again. So manage your trade accordingly. And let's see what's happening in four hedges. Four hedges is completely bearish. So what can happen? Market can come down, come to the upside here around this level here. Fair value gap to here. Before it comes down. So may have see another sell opportunity around there, right? Because the new candle will start from here, and so maybe to the upside and then come down. And you can see here. So this level here, this is a fair value gap here. So that's 1 hour picture. So it can come up to here, new candle, and then come to the downside. So we must break this level, and the retest we possibly can see the first market may come down to these levels. Okay, let's go into daily again. So these are the situation daily, and if you want to further enhance this, just move this here because there's a wick here. So if this candle is broken, the possibility to come to around. Please take away. So I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much, and have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.